Hello everyone, this is Enia here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this hypnotic heart in Affinity Designer. This figure is made of the recursive iteration of an heart shape, with the color alternating between black and white, which gives the figure this hypnotic effect. Alright, so we start on a new square composition. We take the heart shape, we set the fill to none, we leave the stroke as black, and we set the stroke width to 1 point. And then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while pressing Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and preserve the 1:1 proportion, we go ahead and we draw a relatively large heart. And then we take the Move tool, we select the heart, and we press Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then we scale down the duplicated heart while holding Ctrl and Shift, until there is a thin white space between both hearts. And then we rotate the duplicated heart towards the left, until the stroke of both hearts match in the area here. And then we're going to power duplicate, so we are going to press Ctrl J to reapply the same transformation to the newly duplicated heart. So we press Ctrl J several times. Until we have the very last heart at an orientation of about 90 degrees compared to the very first heart. So now we have created the basic shape. The next step is going to be to add colors to it. So we press Ctrl A to select all the elements in the figure. We set the stroke color to none, and we set the fill to black. And then once we have done it, we go here to the layer panel to the very bottom. So while holding Ctrl, and starting from the second heart from the bottom, we go ahead and we select every heart out of 2, like this. And then we set the fill color of the selected heart to white. So this completes the figure. Now we have created an hypnotic heart with the color of the heart alternating between black and white. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create any hypnotic heart in Affinity Designer. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time, bye!